Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to withdraw on Coinmarketcap. First, open the Coinmarketcap website and log in to your account. Scroll down and you can view real-time market data for cryptocurrencies. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Go to the portfolio option and wait a few seconds to load the page. In the portfolio section, click on the Create Portfolio button on the left side. You will see different options that you can choose according to your requirements. You can monitor your investments, track performance, and view portfolio value changes over time. Click on the Connect Your Wallet option and enter details to connect. Go back and select the Add Transaction Manually option. Enter the portfolio name and click Create Portfolio. Click on the portfolio you created to select a coin. For instance, I choose Bitcoin. Go to the Buy option, select the coin, and add the quantity. Click on the Add Transaction button to buy it. On the home screen, there are many useful tools and buttons to start trading. In the Cryptocurrencies tab, you will find various options in the drop-down list. Click on the Ranking option. You will see all the cryptocurrency market prices. Scroll down to view the details about different coins. You will see the profit and loss, holdings, buy price, volume, and more details. Click on the price of the coin to view details about it. For instance, click on Ethereum and scroll down to view more details. You can view the chart of performance and all the other transaction details, including volume and market cap. On the right side, click on the post to see its details. Go to a new tab on your browser and search PancakeSwap. Wait a few seconds to load and you'll be directed to the website. Click on the Connect Wallet button on the right side. You can connect any wallet by clicking on it. You can swap the tokens at instant on this page. On the Coinmarketcap website, scroll down the Ethereum details. Copy the contracts of the BNB Smart Chain in the Ethereum section. On the PancakeSwap web page, click on the Trade tab and select Swap. Click on the token name and paste the link in the search bar. Select the coin name, such as Ethereum. Click on the Connect Wallet button and select the wallet you want to connect. After selecting the wallet, you need to log in to the account. Add the amount in the From and To bar. After connecting to other wallets, you'll be able to withdraw money using the PancakeSwap website. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.